So what's up mga ka-runners? So today's run is an easy run, 30 minutes. So this is a 1-month preparation ulit para sa ating 10K PB breakaway. So on April 19 na tayo, meron tayong 10K run. Susubukin kung mabibit natin yung personal best natin. So come and join me for this run. Always run for your life. Dahil nakaluwag-luwag na tayo, nakapag-invest na naman tayo ng Nike leggings saka ng Asics Nova Blast 4. 1K guys, 638. 2K, 622. So maabot na guys, saktong-sakto itong ating Nike leggings. Ilalamigin ang ating legs sa run. Last 10 minutes, let's go. 4K, 655. So that's our 30 minutes easy run here again at Country Road. So a total of 4 kilometers and 47 meters ang natakbo natin. And tuloy ko na lang siya hanggang 5K. Pero yun lang yung easy run natin. So shoutout sa Amaya Escapes. Baka naman bigyan tayo ng bahay. Pero yun lang. So just always saying na be healthy, be wealthy, stay active, always run for your life, for a better living. Let's go. Run with me. Run with Owen.